Today's tutorial is how to use your iPad to create a hyperdoc. So here you see I am in my Google Classroom application on my iPad. I am loading 7B English and I'm going to go and click into the assignment to generate a hyperdoc. So here's the stream. I'm going into Fantasy Story, my assignment designed by Miss Stavin. And all I'm going to do is go to the section. I'm taking a look at the rubric. I want to make sure I know what I'm doing. And then notice at the bottom it says your work. And I'm again just taking a look to see just the different pages around this assignment within Google Classroom application on my iPad. So now I'm going to literally check on the bottom for work. And you're going to notice that I'm going to unsubmit because I technically just designed something. Now go to the top, I'm going to click, and I'm going to go to make a doc. Notice that it's taking a little bit to process because now it's communicating with the other app that I have on my iPad, which is Google Docs. Now I need to make sure that my Google Doc app is also set up to my HRS account. So I'm going to add people by going up and clicking on the person plus sign, and then I'm going to just type in the name of the person at Holy Redeemer. Now I'm using Miami here because she's already in my system, and I'm going to type in, hey Miami, this is the shared document that we're going to be using for our class, and then I would just press that arrow to send it to her. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the correct email address for the individuals in your group, and you're just going to type in their name there and it will be shared with them. Okay, so again, if I tap on the 3 dial, I have more options for the page setup, etc. Those are those 3 dots, the ellipses in the top right corner. I also have the ability to comment and let my friends know different things. And again, next to the person icon, there's a plus sign, and that's how I share the document there. Now, on the top, I go back up to the Google Classroom. I've already generated, there it is, my document within Miss Stavin's classroom. So I don't need to share it with her again. It's within the classroom space. Now, let's say I have it already saved on my drive. I go up there, I go to add, and I go into my drive. Now, remember, make sure that the drive application is also set up to HRS. See, that's the thing, guys. If you have a smart device and your smart device doesn't have all the apps set and directed to a Holy Redeemer, it's going to draw from whatever Google account that you have it set up in. Okay, so now I'm just going to write a private message to Miss Stavin in the assignment itself and just letting her know I'm creating this tutorial for you guys, and then I get to share that with her, and it's in the classroom space. Now it's a private comment, so only she gets to see this, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Private comments are always on the bottom of the assignment. This is the assignment page. This is the stream for 7th grade English. If I go up to the top corner into classwork, I see all the classwork information. If I want classmates information, I just go over to their name, and I remember that their name, it's first name, period, last name, at whatever class year they are, at students.hrs-ken.org. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's your quick tutorial on how to use wonderful iPad app Google Classroom. All right. Now remember, an app is different than an extension, and it's different than the web browser. So if you're using the apps, make sure that the apps are designed where they are linked to your Holy Redeemer account. If they are not, that means if your Drive, if your Doc, or even your Google Classroom are from a different account, it won't work. Make sure that even your Doc and even your Drive on your apps are using the Holy Redeemer account. Okay, if you're still unsure about how to do this, just make sure you send me an email at m.green@hrs-ken.org. Okay, hang in there, guys. You're doing a great job asking me questions, and I will continue to set up tutorials as needed. Take care.